Transform your Tesla Model 3. Are you ready to elevate your driving experience? Discover the best seat covers that not only enhance comfort, but also protect your investment like never before. In today's video, we dive deep into the world of seat covers specifically designed for the Tesla Model 3, combining luxury, durability, and style. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend road tripper, we'll reveal the top contenders that will keep your seats looking pristine and your ride more comfortable. Get ready to revamp your interior with options that blend cutting-edge design and unmatched quality. Stay tuned as we unlock exclusive insights and expert recommendations that will make your Model 3 stand out. Don't miss out. Number 7. Red Rain brings a luxurious upgrade to your Tesla with the Red Rain Tesla Model 3 car seat covers. Designed specifically for the 2024 and 2025 models. These custom-fit seat covers are made from premium Nappa leather in an elegant brown and beige color combination, offering both comfort and style. The material is wear-resistant, breathable, waterproof, and odor-free, ensuring a fresh and upscale driving environment every time. Featuring a smart ventilation design, these covers maintain seat functionality like airbag ejection and seat heating without compromise. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included tools and video guides, making it a DIY-friendly enhancement. The full 11-piece set includes everything needed to cover and protect your seats while elevating your interior's aesthetic, with a focus on durability and a tailored fit. Red Rain seat covers are the perfect blend of practicality and elegance, making them a top choice for anyone looking for the best seat covers for Tesla Model 3. Number 6. IKABEVEM seat covers leather for Tesla Model 3 are the ultimate solution for enhancing your car's interior while providing unmatched protection. Custom fit for 2017 to 2023 Tesla Model 3 vehicles. These seat covers ensure a snug fit that won't shift or deform. Crafted from premium faux leather, they are not only stylish but also waterproof and easy to clean. Simply wipe down with a damp cloth to keep them looking new. With features like anti-dirt and anti-scratch properties, these covers safeguard your seats against everyday wear and tear. Safety is paramount, as these covers are designed to be compatible with airbags and include flame retardants. Plus, their thoughtful design includes 3 practical pockets on the back for convenient storage. Installation is a breeze with just a few simple steps needed to finish the job. Overall, the IKABEVEM seat covers are the best seat covers for Tesla Model 3, delivering style, comfort, and solid protection for your vehicle's interior. Upgrade your ride today. Number 5. Amsado car seat cover, a perfect blend of style and functionality, designed specifically for 2017 to 2023 models. This custom-fit set enhances your car's interior with its stunning wine red color, making it an eye-catching addition. Crafted from high-quality leather, these seat covers are not only durable and breathable, but also resistant to everyday wear and tear. The 360 degrees full wrapping ensures complete protection while maintaining access to seat ventilation, heating, and adjustments. Safety is paramount. The front seats are equipped with airbag preload ports, allowing for emergency airbag deployment, and the seatbelt slots remain fully accessible. Installation is a breeze with provided instructions and a video guide. Plus, Amsado offers a 12-month warranty and dedicated customer service for peace of mind. For Tesla owners seeking the best seat covers, the Amsado car seat cover is an unbeatable choice, combining luxury, safety, and comfort into one impressive package. Number 4. Giant Panda has truly raised the bar with their full-set customized car seat covers. Designed specifically for the Tesla Model 3, 2017 to 2025. These seat covers not only provide a custom fit that hugs your seats like a glove, but they also elevate your car's interior with a sleek and stylish black faux leather finish. Comfort is key, and these covers deliver with their soft, breathable material that's both wear-resistant and waterproof, making spills and dirt a problem of the past. The quilted design adds a touch of elegance, seamlessly integrating with your Tesla's aesthetic. Protect your original seats from wear and tear, stains, and pesky pet hair while enhancing your vehicle's look and feel. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the practical features like flaps, Velcro, and sturdy buckles for a secure fit. For anyone seeking the best seat covers for the Tesla Model 3, Giant Panda offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and ease of use. Don't miss out on this essential upgrade for your Tesla. Number 3. MeeKooMay has created the ultimate car seat covers designed exclusively for Tesla Model 3 owners. These best seat covers for Tesla Model 3 are custom-fitted for models ranging from 2017 to 2023, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. Crafted from high-quality Nappa leather, they boast a durable 5-layer composite material that's both comfortable and breathable, making long drives a breeze. The waterproof and anti-slip features mean you can drive with confidence, knowing your covers will stay put and remain spotless. Even on white seats, with compatibility for airbags and seat buckles, MeeKooMay prioritizes safety without compromising style. Choose from a classic array of colors, including sleek black and striking red, to personalize your Tesla's interior. The installation process is made effortless with included tools and online videos, ensuring a hassle-free upgrade to your vehicle's aesthetics. Transform your Tesla Model 3 with MeeKooMay's exquisite car seat covers, where luxury meets practicality. Number 2. FRESO Tesla Model 3 seat covers are the ultimate choice for Tesla Model 3 owners looking to enhance their vehicle's interior. Designed specifically for models between 2017 and 2023. These seat covers feature a perfect custom fit that not only elevates the aesthetics, but also offers unparalleled comfort and protection. Made from premium faux leather, they're both breathable and waterproof, making them easy to clean while ensuring your seats remain free from scratches, stains, and spills. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included tools and step-by-step guides. With excellent compatibility for armrests and airbags, safety is prioritized, while the non-slip bottom provides added support. The exquisite craftsmanship, paired with precise stitching, guarantees durability for year-round use. Available in stylish black and white, these seat covers are the best choice for anyone looking to protect or upgrade their Tesla's interior with class and functionality. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty for hassle-free support. Upgrade your driving experience with FRESO today. Number 1. Wekar Tesla Model 3 car seat covers are the ultimate solution for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's interior while maintaining functionality and style. Designed specifically for Tesla Model 3, 2018 to 2023. These seat covers offer a custom fit for front and rear seats, ensuring your original upholstery remains in pristine condition. The premium Nappa leather material not only exudes luxury, but is also remarkably easy to clean, allowing you to maintain that fresh look effortlessly. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the upgraded design that features Velcro and zippers, along with a comprehensive kit, including hooks and necessary tools. Importantly, these seat covers are airbag compatible, preserving all safety features of your Tesla, including seatbelts and heating functions, with top-notch customer service and a handy installation guide. Wcker ensures you'll have everything you need to transform your ride. For those seeking the best seat covers for Tesla Model 3, Wecker's offering stands out as a perfect blend of elegance, protection, and convenience. Elevate your driving experience with these stunning seat covers. In conclusion, choosing the best seat covers for your Tesla Model 3 can enhance both comfort and style while providing essential protection. From premium materials to custom fits, there are options suited for every preference and budget. Investing in quality seat covers not only elevates your driving experience, but also keeps your vehicle looking pristine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful content.